As promised, I'm going to show you what I've been working on, something that's going to be beneficial to you and something that's really going to help this channel grow. So if you open your web browser and go to www.patreon.com/Manvir Hothi, it's going to take you to this page. And you might be wondering, what exactly is Patreon? Patreon is a crowdfunding membership platform that allows creators such as myself offer its members certain perks based off a tier system. So if you look on the right hand side of the page, you're going to notice 4 different tiers: Chitti Dali, Kali Dali, and Akrod. As you can tell, these are all woods that are used in the construction of dhol, whereas is the most inferior and Akrod is walnut, so it's a little bit more unique and it's on the higher scale of the patronage that you can choose from. So let's take a look at each individual tier and see what you get. If you've been enjoying this content and you've been learning something, or have just been a supporter since the first day, you can become a patron at $1 per month. And you really don't get anything from it except for my eternal gratitude, which I am grateful for. So if you want to take that a little bit further and you want to enhance your dhol skills, what I would recommend is either joining the Chitti Dali or Kali Dali tiers. So at $10 a month for Chitti Dali, you get access to my practice videos, which are minimum 1 per week, and these will not be posted on my main YouTube page. So you also get slow to fast videos, and these videos are meant to be played along with. Each video contains 1 rhythm. I will play the rhythm slow, and I'll gradually increase the speed, making it easy to play along with. Let's move to the next tier. So Kali Dali. It's $20 per month, and it's also the recommended level of patronage. And basically what you'll get is the fundamentals of dhol, lesson plan images, and these are excerpts from the how to play dhol book that I've been working on. And you pretty much just get an insider look. And these are open to your feedback as well. So if you find something that's useful or you find something that's not useful, I will take it into consideration when I create the final product. I will also come in with an open ear. So basically, if there's anything that you guys want to learn, it's something that I haven't covered on my channel, then just let me know, because what I can do is I can create a custom video for you and post it on this account. The reason why I don't post it on YouTube is because it may not be in the scope of what I plan on doing with the channel. And in addition, what you get is access to my practice videos, and you also get the slow to fast videos that you get in the Chitti Dali tier. So let's take a look at the next tier. So Akrod, it's $35 per month at the moment, and what you'll receive is an opportunity to send me videos of yourself playing once per month. And what I'll do is I'll critique the video and I'll send you back feedback, so that way you're on the right path in your learning journey. And basically what I want you guys to do before you sign up for this tier is just shoot me an email or message me on Instagram, because I want to make sure that this is the right platform for you. If you got some insight on what you're going to receive, I'll show you some lesson plans now that I've been working on. Also, I'll go over 1 slow to fast video just to give you an idea of what you can expect. And just to let you guys know, I have been working on these daily, and I'm going to continue posting as much as I can. And you guys can also just create a community yourself, because if somebody asks one thing, once I post a video, you'll all have access to the exact same thing. So you guys can all grow at the same time, which I believe is fantastic.